Stand up, your body is about to become kanji. Hito, a person, me and I. Kuchi, a mouth, mimi and ear. Te, a hand, ashi, a foot. Touch and sing, the kanji's here. Two legs walking, that's hito. A person standing in the sun. Open wide, a square. Kuchi, remember robot mouth. Same one. Hito, me, kuchi, mimi, te, ashi. Point and say, let's go. And I with the lashes turn. That's me. You knew the sound, now meet the sign. Mimi hangs soft, an ear that listens. Te is a hand with a lifeline. Ashi is a foot that stops and goes. Touch your eye and say me. Touch your mouth and say kuchi. Your body speaks kanji, see? Hito, me.